As the sun sets on the age of the Permian and Triassic, we stand at the threshold of tomorrow, where the echoes of ancient life and the whispers of the future intertwine in a story that spans billions of years. This is the final chapter in the epic tale of our world. Welcome back to the Science and History Archive's exclusive 4-episode miniseries on the history of planet Earth, where we embark on an epic journey through space and time. We last left off exploring the incredible diversity of life that first exploded onto the scene approximately 500 million years ago. Now, we turn our attention to a pivotal era in Earth's history, the age of dinosaurs. But before the giants ruled, the stage was set by a world in transition. Imagine a world vastly different from our own. Continents were shifting, oceans were forming, and the very air we breathe was undergoing dramatic changes. In the beginning, nature's gentle touch shaped a world in transition, where life found its way amidst the changing landscapes. From the depths of the ancient oceans to the shallow seas, life was teeming with bizarre and wonderful creatures. Trilobites, with their segmented bodies and multifaceted eyes, scuttled across the seabed. Anomalocaris, a fearsome predator with grasping appendages and a circular mouth, stalked its prey. This burst of evolutionary creativity wasn't confined to the oceans. On land, plants began to colonize the barren landscape, slowly transforming the Earth's surface. These early pioneers paved the way for the evolution of terrestrial ecosystems, setting the stage for animals to follow. The Cambrian Explosion marked a turning point in the history of life. It was a time of unparalleled experimentation and diversification, a period that established the blueprints for much of the life we see around us today. Over the course of the next several million years, the descendants of the Cambrian survivors continued to evolve and diversify. Among them, a group of reptiles known as archosaurs began to rise to prominence around 250 million years ago. These early ancestors of dinosaurs possessed features that would later define their more famous descendants, such as strong limbs and a distinctive hip structure. The world itself was changing too. The continents, once fragmented, were slowly drifting together to form the supercontinent Pangaea. This massive landmass created vast inland deserts and altered ocean currents, profoundly impacting the climate and the distribution of life. It was in this dynamic and ever-changing world that the dinosaurs first emerged. From humble beginnings, they would evolve into the most successful land animals the planet had ever seen. Around 252 million years ago, as the Triassic period dawned, the world was still recovering from the Permian-Triassic extinction event, the most severe mass extinction in Earth's history. Yet, from the ashes of this catastrophe, new life arose, including the first dinosaurs. These early dinosaurs were relatively small and agile, often overshadowed by their larger archosaur cousins. One such early dinosaur was Coelophysis, a slender predator that darted through the undergrowth, snatching up small reptiles and insects. With its long legs, sharp teeth and hollow bones, Coelophysis possessed the blueprint for success that would characterize its later, more imposing relatives. As the Triassic progressed, dinosaurs began to diversify and grow larger, taking advantage of the vast open landscapes created by the formation of Pangaea. Plateosaurus, a herbivore with a long neck and a small head, lumbered across the plains, stripping vegetation with its leaf-shaped teeth. The Triassic was a time of experimentation for dinosaurs, a period of trial and error as they competed with other reptiles for dominance. It was a time of constant change, both in the animal kingdom and in the environment itself. Volcanic eruptions spewed gases into the atmosphere, altering the climate and shaping the evolution of life on Earth. The Jurassic period would be host to a world of giants. By the time the Jurassic period arrived, around 201 million years ago, dinosaurs had firmly established themselves as the rulers of the Earth. The supercontinent Pangaea began to break apart, creating new coastlines and diverse habitats that further fueled dinosaur evolution. It was during this time that some of the most iconic dinosaurs emerged, creatures that continue to capture our imaginations millions of years later. Towering above the landscape was Brachiosaurus, a long-necked giant that could reach heights of over 40 feet. This gentle herbivore roamed in herds, using its long neck to reach high into the trees for food. Sharing the Jurassic landscape was Stegosaurus, instantly recognizable by the double row of plates along its back and the formidable spikes on its tail. The Jurassic oceans also teemed with life. Plesiosaurs, with their broad bodies, flippers and long necks, patrolled the waters, while ichthyosaurs, resembling modern-day dolphins, darted through the depths, hunting fish and squid. The skies, too, belonged to the reptiles, with pterosaurs like pterodactyl soaring overhead on leathery wings. The Jurassic period was a time of giants, a period when dinosaurs reached the pinnacle of their size and diversity. Section 3. Feathered Wonders and Horned Behemoths, the Cretaceous period. The Cretaceous period, beginning around 145 million years ago, marked the final chapter in the age of dinosaurs. The Cretaceous saw the rise of new and fascinating dinosaur species, many adorned with bizarre and elaborate features. Tyrannosaurus rex ruled the late Cretaceous, a formidable hunter with massive jaws and powerful legs. Triceratops, a three-horned herbivore, faced off against T-Rex. The Cretaceous also witnessed the emergence of feathered dinosaurs, some evolving into birds. The stage was set for a cataclysmic event that would forever change life on Earth. The Pakicetus, a whale's tale, begins in the sands of time. As dinosaurs thundered across the prehistoric landscape, another evolutionary journey was unfolding. This remarkable story takes us back to the Eocene epoch, 50 million years ago, where Pakicetus roamed the shores of a shallow sea. Imagine a creature about the size of a wolf, with 4 legs and a thick coat of fur. Pakicetus held within its anatomy the seeds of a remarkable transformation. Its most telling feature, an unusual ear bone structure adapted for hearing underwater. Over millions of years, its descendants evolved to become the giant species of modern-day whales seen in today's oceans. A legacy etched in stone fossils whisper tales of survival. The fossil record is our window into the past, offering tantalizing glimpses into the lives of creatures long extinct. Through the painstaking work of paleontologists, we can trace the lineage of modern animals back to their ancient ancestors, piecing together the story of evolution, one fossil at a time. Consider the crab, a creature that has remained virtually unchanged for over 450 million years, a living fossil that coexisted with the dinosaurs. Its remarkable resilience is a testament to the effectiveness of its body plan, a design so successful that it has withstood the pressures of time and environmental change. Fossils tell us not only about the creatures themselves, but also about the world they inhabited. By studying fossilized plants, we learn about the vegetation that sustained herbivorous dinosaurs, and fossilized footprints offer clues about their social behavior and movement patterns. Each fossil is a precious piece of a vast and intricate puzzle, and as we uncover more of these fragments, our understanding of the past becomes richer and more nuanced. The earth beneath our feet holds the secrets of millions of years of life, waiting to be unearthed and decoded. The dinosaurs' contemporaries, an ecosystem teeming with life. Dinosaurs often steal the spotlight, but they weren't the only actors on the evolutionary stage. A rich tapestry of life existed alongside these behemoths, from tiny insects to giant sea creatures. In the skies, pterosaurs soared, their membranous wings carrying them over vibrant landscapes. Beneath the waves, a different cast of characters thrived. Ichthyosaurs, with their streamlined bodies, patrolled the oceans. The age of dinosaurs was a complex era teeming with astonishing diversity. The Triassic, a time of beginnings and endings. Life on Earth was recovering from the Permian-Triassic extinction, the greatest extinction event in history. Massive volcanic eruptions wiped out over 90% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrates. From this catastrophe, a new world emerged, ripe for the rise of the dinosaurs. The supercontinent Pangaea dominated the globe, characterized by hot, dry deserts and seasonal monsoons. Early dinosaurs, small and agile, began to find their footing in this evolving landscape. As the Jurassic period dawned around 201 million years ago, dinosaurs had truly come into their own. Pangaea began to break apart, creating new coastlines and warmer, more humid climates. Lush forests carpeted the land, providing ample food for the burgeoning populations of herbivorous dinosaurs. It was during the Jurassic that the iconic long-necked sauropods, like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus, reached their peak. These colossal herbivores, among the largest animals to ever walk the Earth, could grow to lengths of over 100 feet and weigh upwards of 50 tons. Their long necks allowed them to graze on the tallest trees, their massive bodies a testament to the abundance of plant life during this period. But the Jurassic wasn't just about size. The armored Stegosaurus, with its distinctive plates and spiky tail, roamed the plains, while the fearsome Allosaurus, with its powerful legs and sharp teeth, stalked its prey. In the skies above, pterosaurs, like the long-tailed Rhamphorhynchus, soared on leathery wings, filling the air with their cries. The Jurassic was a time of incredible diversity and abundance, a time when dinosaurs ruled the land, the skies, and even the seas. It was a time when life on Earth reached new heights, literally and figuratively. The Cretaceous period, beginning around 145 million years ago, marked the last chapter in the age of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs evolved into bizarre and specialized forms. Flowering plants transformed ecosystems, providing new food sources. Tyrannosaurus rex ruled the late Cretaceous. This apex predator has captured imaginations with its massive jaws. T-Rex shared its world with Triceratops, Hadrosaurs, and Ankylosaurus. The Cretaceous skies were alive with activity. Pterosaurs like Quetzalcoatlus had wingspans exceeding 30 feet. Birds, descendants of feathered dinosaurs, began to diversify. A cataclysmic event would forever change life on Earth. For over 180 million years, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Around 66 million years ago, the Chicxulub impact occurred. An asteroid slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula, releasing energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The impact triggered wildfires, earthquakes, and tsunamis. Dust and debris blocked out the sun, plunging Earth into darkness and cold. This event marked the end of the dinosaur era. Over 75% of species, including all non-avian dinosaurs, were wiped out. Mammals, resilient and adaptable, thrived in the post-dinosaur world. In the shadow of giants, the Mesozoic mammals. Even during their dominance, mammals were quietly evolving. Living in the shadows of giants, we were small, often nocturnal creatures. Imagine a world where the rustling of leaves could signal a predator. Survival depended on speed, stealth, and awareness. We were most likely insectivores, with sharp teeth and agile bodies for snatching insects. Mesozoic mammals displayed a remarkable diversity of forms. Some, like the gliding Velaticotherium, could soar between trees. Others, like the burrowing Frutifossor, found refuge underground. These adaptations were crucial for our descendants. When dinosaurs' reign ended, adaptable mammals inherited the Earth. A new dawn, the rise of mammals. The extinction of the dinosaurs created a vacuum, an ecological blank canvas for evolutionary creativity. Mammals diversified and expanded into new niches, their adaptability proving to be their greatest asset. The fossil record shows rapid evolution and diversification. Within a few million years, mammal species had exploded. From mountains to oceans, mammals spread globally, evolving to suit diverse habitats and lifestyles. It was the dawn of the Cenozoic era, the age of mammals. The seeds of success, adaptability, and diversity. What were the keys to the mammals' success? How did they manage to not only survive the extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs, but also thrive in the aftermath? The answer lies in their remarkable adaptability and their inherent capacity for diversity. Unlike reptiles, which rely on external sources of heat, mammals are warm-blooded, meaning they can regulate their own body temperature. This gave them a crucial advantage in the fluctuating climates of the post-dinosaur world, allowing them to remain active even when temperatures dropped. Mammals also possessed a key evolutionary innovation: differentiated teeth. Unlike reptiles, which typically have teeth of a single type, Mammals developed specialized teeth for different functions, such as incisors for cutting, canines for tearing, and molars for grinding. This dental diversity allowed them to exploit a wider range of food sources, from insects to plants to meat. Furthermore, mammals gave birth to live young and nurtured them with milk, providing a level of parental care that was rare among reptiles. This allowed mammals to reproduce more efficiently and gave their offspring a better chance of survival, particularly in the challenging environments of the early Cenozoic. As the reign of the dinosaurs faded, a new chapter in the story of life began. The world, now dominated by mammals, continued to evolve. Around 55 million years ago, primates began to emerge. These early primates were small, unassuming creatures. They lived in dense forests, their lives intertwined with the trees. Despite their beginnings, these primates had unique characteristics. Their grasping hands and feet with opposable thumbs were defining features. This adaptation allowed them to navigate the arboreal world. Their forward-facing eyes provided binocular vision. This vision helped them judge distances and leap between branches. A change in perspective. Adapting to life in the trees. Life in the trees presented unique challenges and opportunities, shaping primate evolution profoundly. Navigating a complex environment favored agility and coordination, leading to flexible limbs and strong grasping hands and feet. The forest canopy provided a rich diet of insects, fruits, and leaves. Primates with unspecialized teeth exploited this bounty. Social groups offered protection and increased food-finding chances. Early primates developed complex social interactions and communication skills. These early social structures laid the foundation for complex societies. The arboreal world shaped primate evolution, leading to our own species. The dawn of intelligence brains over brawn. As primates evolved, their brains expanded. Intelligence became crucial for survival. The neocortex developed, enabling problem-solving and social behavior. Language was pivotal in human evolution. It allowed unprecedented communication and cooperation. A legacy of resilience from tiny mammals to the age of humanity. We've journeyed through vast stretches of time, witnessing the rise and fall of incredible creatures. But the story doesn't end there. From the ashes of the dinosaurs' extinction rose the age of mammals. Their adaptability and resilience allowed them to flourish. They spread across continents, a lineage emerged. The primates, our ancestors. The emergence of humans is a testament to the power of evolution. As we stand at the precipice of the future, it's humbling to look back on the vast expanse of geologic time. The story of life on Earth is not a linear progression, but a grand, intricate tapestry woven from countless threads. The dinosaurs, though long gone, continue to captivate our imaginations. Their extinction serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of life. But their story is also a story of hope. The rise of mammals, the evolution of primates, and the emergence of humans are all chapters in this ongoing saga. As we face the challenges of the future, let us draw inspiration from the incredible journey of life on Earth. Let us remember that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey through the entire natural history of our planet. Stay tuned for more, as we will be presenting a special bonus episode in this History of Earth mini-series by the Science and History Archives, where we will be delving into the rise of mankind, from our earliest known modern ancestor to our current civilization. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to the Science and History Archives channel for more fascinating insights into our past and future. And we'll see you next time.